afternoon, student. We continue the topic harmonic progression. Now we will take the exercise 2.4. Question number 3 बात है, find arithmetic mean of two numbers whose geometric mean and harmonic mean are 4 and 16 by 5. So geometric mean is 4, harmonic mean is 16 by 5. Now we have to find the arithmetic mean. Okay, so let A, G and H be the A is arithmetic mean, G is geometric mean and H is harmonic mean of two positive numbers Now given, what is given? Geometric mean is 4, so G is equal to 4. Also given H, harmonic mean is 16 by 5. Harmonic mean is 16 by 5. Okay, now we know the relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. In last lecture we take the relation. What is the relation between those three mean? So relation is, we know that G square is equal to A. This is the relation between these three means. G is 4, so put G is equal to 4 square. A is, we find the value of A. H is 16 by 5. Okay, so 4 square is 16. 16 is equal to A into 16 by 5. So, okay, so therefore we take these terms in this side. So 5 get multiplied to 16 and 16 get divided. So 16 get cancelled. So 5 is equal to A. So A is equal to 5. So arithmetic mean of two positive numbers. Arithmetic mean of two positive numbers is 5. Now second example, question number 5. Find geometric mean of two positive numbers. Okay, geometric mean of two positive numbers. Find geometric mean of two positive numbers whose arithmetic mean and harmonic mean are 75 and 48 respectively. We have to find the geometric mean. Given arithmetic mean is 75 and harmonic mean is 48. So let A, G and H are arithmetic mean. G is geometric mean and H is harmonic mean of two numbers. So therefore given is A is arithmetic mean is 75, harmonic mean H is 48. And we have to find the value of A. Okay, sorry, A is 75, H is 48. We have to find the value of geometric mean. So we have to find G. Okay, now relation between A, G, H is, we know that G square is equal to A H. G square is equal to A. So G square is equal to A is 75 and H is 48. So G square is equal to 78 into 48, 75 into 48. Okay, so 4 5 8s are 40, 8 7s are 56, and 4 is 60. Now 4 5s are 20, so carries 2. 4 7s are 28, 4 7s are 28, and this 2, this is 30. So this is 3600. Okay, 3600. So G is G square 36. This is square of 60. So G is equal to plus minus 60. But A and G is greater than 1 and A is greater than 0. A is greater than 0. So G is also greater than 0. So G is plus 60. Okay, G is plus 60. G is plus 60. Now question number 6. Insert two numbers between 1/4 and 1/3 so that the resulting sequence is a HP. Insert two numbers between 1/4 and 1/3 so that the resulting sequence is a HP. So let the required two numbers be. Let the required two numbers are H1 and H2. आपण जॉमेट्रिक मीनचं जसं एक्झाम्पल घेतले तसं सेम आहे. आता हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन मध्ये दिलेले आहेत हे नंबर्स. सो टेक H1 and H2. So therefore H1 inserting two between these 1/4 H1 H2 and 1/3 are in HP. This sequence is in HP. So reciprocal of this sequence is in AP. Okay. So reciprocal of this 1/4 is 4. Reciprocal of 1 upon H1 is a reciprocal of H1 is 1 upon H1. Reciprocal of H2 is 1 upon H2. And reciprocal of this 1/3 is 3 are in AP, arithmetic progression. So here first term T1 is 4. Second term T2 is 1/H1. Third term T3 is 1 upon H2. And fourth term T4 is 3. So let A be the first term and so these terms are in AP. So first term and common difference. Now we will take AP. AP असेल तर काय common असतो? Difference. So D be the common difference. Then first term T1 is A. So A is equal to first term. A means first term is equal to T1. So first term is 4. So we get the value of A is 4. Now we find the value of D difference. We know the value of T4 is 3. T4 is 3 and Tn चा formula. What is Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D. Arithmetic progression असेल तर n terms Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So therefore T4 is equal to, so put n is equal to 4. A is also 4. N is 4 minus 1 and D, we find the value of D. T4 is 3. So T4 is 3 is equal to 4 plus 3D. 4 we will take in this side. So 3 minus 4 is equal to 3D. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1 is equal to 3D. So D is equal to this 3 divide to this minus 1. So D is minus 1/3. So value of D is minus 1/3. Value of D is minus 1/3. Now T2. Second term is 1 upon H1. T2 means A plus Tn, n minus 1 into D is equal to 1 upon H1. A is 4 plus 2 minus 1 is 1 into D. 1 into D is minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 upon H1. So 1 into minus 1 by 3 is minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 upon H1. We'll take cross multiplication this side. So 4 into 3, 12 minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 1 upon H1. So 11 by 3 is equal to 1 upon H1. So H1 is equal to, reciprocal of this term is 3 upon 11. H1 is 3 upon 11. Now T3 is equal to 1 upon H2. So it is Tn, A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 1 upon H2. A is, what is the value of A is 4 plus 3 minus 2 and D is minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 upon H1. So 4 plus 4. 2 into minus 1 by 3 is minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 upon H1. Take cross multiplication. 4 3 is 12 minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1 upon H1. 12 minus 2 is 10 divided by 3 is equal to 1 upon H1. So, sorry, we find the value of H2. This is H2. Okay, so H2 is, reciprocal of this term is 3 by 10. So required two numbers are H1 and H2. The values of H1 and H2 are 3 by 11 and 3 by 10. The required two numbers are 3 upon 11 and 3 upon 10. सिक्वेन्स कशी तयार होईल आता पहा. फर्स्ट टर्म काय होती आपली, फर्स्ट टर्म इज 1 by 4. नाउ सेकंड टर्म इज 3 by 11, थर्ड टर्म इज 3 by 10 and फोर्थ टर्म इज 1 by 3. 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 होते का नाही पहा. ओके, 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 आहेत. ओके, नाउ HP मध्ये असेल म्हणजे त्यांचा रेसिप्रोकल कशात असणार आहे, ही HP मध्ये आहे का नाही चेक करायची. ही सिक्वेन्स कशामध्ये आहे, HP मध्ये आहे का नाही हे चेक करायचं. म्हणजेच काय करायचंय, ह्याचा रेसिप्रोकल AP मध्ये आहे का नाही चेक करायचंय. आता ह्याचा रेसिप्रोकल काय येईल पहा. 1 by 4 चा रेसिप्रोकल 4 येईल, ह्याचा रेसिप्रोकल 11 by 3 येईल, ह्याचा रेसिप्रोकल 10 by 3 येईल आणि ह्याचा रेसिप्रोकल 3 येईल. आता डिफरन्स घ्या, 11 by 3 minus 4 आणि हा डिफरन्स 10 by 3 minus 11 by 3. डिफरन्स सेम येतो का पहा. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करा. 11 minus 3 4 is 12 divided by 3. So this is minus 1 by 3 and this is बेस सेम आहे. 10 minus 11 is minus 1 by 3. सो हे जे तुम्ही नंबर्स आपण फाइंड केलेले आहेत ते कशा आहेत, करेक्ट आहेत. ओके.